Ramping up production and improving bottom line while reducing greenhouse gas emissions is the biggest challenge the mining sector faces. The Motion Metrics ecosystem can help your mine boost productivity and improve energy efficiency by up to 15% while keeping your employees safe and saving your mine up to $30 million per year. With nearly a decade of experience with AI-enabled machine vision, Motion Metrics uses rugged cameras to radically optimize your unique operation from drill to mill without interrupting your workflow. By monitoring your shovels, loaders, haul trucks, and conveyor belts, the Motion Metrics ecosystem collects detailed information about your drilling and blasting, loading, haulage, and processing operations. Motion Metrics then turns this data into actionable insights by tapping into highly skilled domain experts. All authorized users can easily access this information from their personalized productivity dashboards, securely stored on our cloud-based platform. The service pays for itself by optimizing each stage of the mining process, supplying your operation with the information needed to make informed decisions. More than 80 open-pit mines across 6 continents trust the Motion Metrics ecosystem. Our expert team is present everywhere you do business. Contact us to learn how a partnership with Motion Metrics can help your mine increase production and lower operational costs.